Bitcoin money generally is a mid-position digital money right now valued at $108.27 that has a place with the class of mintable coins, with a market capitalization of $2,101,793,109 or so they in every practical sense thought. Over the past lovely few years, digital forms of money, including Bitcoin money, laid out a really impressive traction in the worldwide monetary world and generally are currently being exchanged comparable to conventional resources like stocks, products, and unfamiliar monetary forms. A few institutional financial backers even essentially consider crypto as a proficient supporting instrument against the taking off expansion and the disturbances in the worldwide economy, which most certainly is very huge. Retail financial backers and dealers in a real sense are truly keen on digital currencies. For example, BCH on the grounds that this basically is seemingly the most open monetary market where various resources truly have the potential for 100x to 1000x increases in a generally brief time frame. At this sort of specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members carried the cost of Bitcoin money to the level at $108.27 where it right now sits, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. As currently referenced, BCH basically is a mid-position cryptographic money since it as of now possesses the 30th spot in worldwide digital money ranking. The metric not set in stone by duplicating the in every way that really matters. Current cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource, which explicitly is genuinely huge. On account of Bitcoin money, the market capitalization in a real sense remains at $2,101,793,109. The significance of this boundary will fundamentally be basically made sense of later in an unpretentious manner. Our cost expectation calculation by and large is planned in every practical sense, such a way that it constantly screens both the value, the position, and the market capitalization of the computerized resource being referred to in a real sense give our supporters the most reliable data on the genuinely present status of the market and future possibilities, permits the beneficiaries to enough truly evaluate the condition of their portfolio and truly choose whether or not it essentially should be reconfigured, or so they thought. Our calculation likewise really focuses on verifiable information, which in every practical sense is truly imperative for the exceptionally right assessment of both current and expected market structure, and the evaluation of its certainly present and future bearing in a genuinely significant manner. Beneath you will find kind of key portions of this verifiable information with the goal that you also could in a real sense have a comprehension of where the Bitcoin money market for the most part is going in an unpretentious manner. Yesterday, on June 4th, BCH most certainly was esteemed at $114.93 at the turn of the two exchanging meeting. Truly recollect that digital currencies especially are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m. in a kind of large manner. The cost change, rate-wise, over the said period added up to 7.30%, or so they thought. 7 days prior, on May 29th, Bitcoin money in every practical sense was exchanged at $116.52 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that near its current position, which sort of is genuinely huge. On May 5th, which especially was precisely a month prior, the examiners exchanged BCH at $120.18, the cost level that certainly is at the distance of 9.91% from where it as of now remains in an essentially significant manner. The cost of BCH and the readings of 114 are not by any means the only measurements that we use while drawing the cost forecasts, which especially is very critical. Market capitalization for the most part is one more significant sort of metric that in a real sense helps brokers sort of decide the fame of the digital money being referred to as well as its future possibilities, which sort of is genuinely huge. It's likewise used to sort of evaluate the offer that Bitcoin money generally holds inside the fundamentally whole digital currency market, as opposed to mainstream thinking. The equation for the computation of market capitalization especially is fairly straightforward. The coursing supply of the cash being referred to explicitly is increased by its ongoing cost, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking. As of the hour of composing, the market capitalization of BCH generally remains at $2,101,793,109, enough to name it the 30th in every practical sense, biggest coin on the digital currency market, or so they fundamentally thought. Yesterday, on June 4th, the market capitalization of Bitcoin money by and large remained at $2,230,838,209, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. 7 days prior, on May 29th, the capitalization of BCH really was $2,261,001,639. A month prior, on May 5th, how much most certainly capital streaming around this essentially specific market added up to $2,329,513,118. Most digital money financial backers fundamentally stick to the rule that market capitalization likewise decides the dangers related with a specific digital currency and its capacity to basically endure disturbances which explicitly are the in every practical sense normal event on this exceptionally unstable market. Or so they certainly thought. It's evident that the very previously mentioned market capitalization of Bitcoin money permits to generally characterize it as the mid-cap digital currency that has a place in the OK gathering. Or so they most certainly thought, since we for the most part have proactively referenced the equation for computing the market capitalization. It would really be by and large fitting to commit a piece of this report to the stock of BCH certainly, for essentially your data. There in a real sense are three sorts of supply for practically every digital currency, the sort of greatest stockpile, which fundamentally implies the quantity of coins that would be created on an exceptionally specific blockchain all through its present. The genuinely all-out supply, which alludes to the quantity of coins previously delivered starting from the commencement of the venture. The flowing inventory, which clearly alludes to the quantity of coins available for use, in truly different words, that generally are effectively exchanged on trade stages. The sort of greatest stock of Bitcoin money sort of is 21,000,000 BCH. The especially absolute inventory of BCH as of now generally remains at 19,411,656 coins. The circling supply of the digital money under survey really is 19,411,656 BCH in a kind of significant manner. This Bitcoin money cost forecast wouldn't be finished without the outline of the exchanging volume available inquiry since it's the measurement utilized by practically all digital currency brokers to fundamentally affirm the strength of the pattern and the reasonability of a market move in an essentially significant manner. For example, assuming the breakout to the potential gain is happening on the rear of the low exchanging volume, there is an extremely high likelihood that this move in a real sense is impractical and would in a real sense bring about a bullish snare, which really is genuinely critical. Hence, it's critical to essentially dissect the by and large past and the sort of current exchanging volume of BCH requests to comprehend whether this market has a fundamental strength, which is very huge. Over the very beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume on the Bitcoin money market was enrolled at $99,076,216 in an unobtrusive manner. Yesterday, on June 4th, BCH in every way that really matters had an exchanging volume of $53954,451. 7 days prior. On May 29th, the genuinely normal day-to-day exchanging volume on that market truly added up to $73468,974, which really is genuinely critical.